everybody, and welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Today we're going to be drawing quarterback for the Miami Dolphins, Tua Tagovailoa. So that's a hard name to say. Tua comes from Alabama, the Crimson Tide. He played college football for Alabama, was picked 5th in the 2020 draft by the Dolphins, and grew up in Hawaii. So we're going to draw Tua kind of having a fun shaka symbol. So this might be a little challenging drawing, but join us. Here we go. Find the middle of your paper. Find the middle of your paper. We're going to draw Tua's head right here. So let's get started. I'm going to get the black marker with a pointed tip. And here we go. We'll draw the jaw down and out. Okay. And we'll do a couple of ears. These oval ears on each side, and he's curved out side of the head, and he's got kind of this square hairdo, so we'll bring it up into a square. Alright, Tua's gonna have some eyes that are smiling, so they're gonna go kind of like these sideways raindrops. He's got these smiley eyes. Hopefully they turn out here. We'll do a circle on the inside over there, circle on the inside right there, smaller circle below, and we can color those in. We're going to leave these smaller circles white. Leave an area of white here as well, and that's gonna be a light blue color, simply to represent the reflections of kind of the stadium lights that these football players might play in. So there's some quick eyes. We'll get a light blue, kind of this baby blue, fill in this area right here to add just a little life, a little color. There we go. Okay. Get the black marker back. We'll do this nose. The nose is going to be a little wider, so we're going to do 1, 2. Okay. And then we'll do this big smile. Tua's got a great smile. He's always happy, so down to the middle of the nose. And up over here. We'll do the teeth. Alrighty. And now let's do some, he's got this kind of beard going on. Just his little beard, it's kind of scruffy, so you can scribble it in. It doesn't have to be smooth, make it look like whiskers. It's going to go right up to the ear mark area. There we go. Maybe a little thicker on those cheeks there. And maybe a little thicker right there on the chin. Okay. He's also got this goatee coming on. So I'm going to see if I can sneak some black whiskers right there. Not a lot of room. I didn't really leave myself a lot of room. Connect over there. Connect around the mouth to the mustache area. Boom. Alright, let's draw some eyebrows. Color those in. Okay, do his hairline. Kind of some flat, this is kind of flat. You can add some wiggles for the hair. And we'll color the hair in a minute on the fast forward. So basically we have our Tua outline there. Add some teeth. There we go. So let's do the neck. The neck comes down, the neck comes down to a point. So we're going to draw the shaka, the hang loose symbol right here. I'm going to do it first, and then we'll do the arm around it. So if you need to pause. We'll try to go slow so that you can get this. So first of all, we'll do the shoulder pad out, and here we go. We'll do a thumb, finger out, 1, 2, 3, and then here comes the pinky. Okay, and then we'll do this down to the elbow. Shoulder pad goes down, bicep, connect to the elbow, and the wrist goes right there. Okay. Shoulder pad goes into the thumb there. The shoulder pad will go down, come down to the waist, over, and up to the shoulder pad. Okay. It's got kind of a big arm. It's okay. So let's have him holding a football now. We'll do the big football shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll give him some muscles. Tua's kind of built. He's got some muscles. So he's also left-handed, so we're gonna have him holding the football in his left hand over here. We got the quarterback towel coming down, and then we'll do some legs up, up. The little socks here, some rectangles. Now we'll draw these big shoes. Tongue, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 for the shoelaces. That big shoe comes out, and make sure we can see this okay. Bring it straight across to the ankle, connect it. Same thing over here, ankle down, bring it straight across to be the same size as that shoe over there, and connect. Okay, so basically we have our outline of Tua now. We can draw the number 1. I'll do the number 1 in the fast forward. We'll do some stripes over here, kind of that green aqua Miami Dolphins color, white pants, white shoes, green socks, brown football, flesh color. We'll color the hair in black, and we should be done with Tua Tagovailoa, the quarterback for the Miami Dolphins. Fast forward, and thank you for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw.